Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to lift limits on PayPal business account. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser and in the search bar you will have to type paypal.com. Then you need to provide your email address and your password, and you simply need to log in into your PayPal business account. Now once you are on the summary page, you will have to hover over to this gear icon and you simply need to click on it. Then you need to click on account settings. Once I've done that, you will be landed on this account settings page where in the account access you are going to see the option of limits, and it is limits on your account. So over here you will have to click on view right next to it. Afterwards you will be landed on this account limits page where if you scroll down a bit, in the bottom you are going to see the option of lift limits. So you need to click on lift limits, and then you will be redirected on this page where you will be asked to link a bank account. So over here you need to provide your bank details like your account number and your NEFT IFSC code. This may vary as per your country, and then you need to link your bank account. After that, you need to follow further on-screen instructions to lift your limits on PayPal. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.